Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video on E1ULife. Today, I'm talking about how to get started with E1ULife and start earning those $2,000 commissions per sale. Okay, so if you're new to affiliate marketing, or if you're new to what E1ULife is, you don't really know what it is, stick with this video. I do have more detailed videos talking about E1ULife on my channel. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below. I have a playlist called E1ULife. You can check out those videos on there. And if you get value from this video, please consider giving me a like or a thumbs up on this video. It will really help with the algorithm. So on to the video here. On my page, on my screen here is a page from E1ULife. Sell as an affiliate, earn like an owner, with commission rates starting at 80%. Okay, so they pay out 80% plus in commissions. Okay, going as high as like 91 to 94% commissions. So what exactly is E1ULife? E1ULife is a team of experienced developers, designers, and project managers ready to help you build and establish your online presence. So basically, they're your own personal web building team that will create done-for-you websites, sales pages, email templates, your own custom logo, and your own multi-page sales funnel for you. Okay, and all of these tools help you to establish your online presence for your business, your organization, or just to brand yourself. Okay, now they have an excellent affiliate marketing program, and if you're new to affiliate marketing or you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you promote a company's products and services, and if someone clicks on your affiliate link that's targeted to you, someone clicks on that affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. There are tens of thousands of companies online that have affiliate programs. So some of the biggest ones are Walmart and Amazon Associates. Okay, Amazon calls their affiliates Amazon Associates. So what I'm going to do right now is compare their commission rates to those that E1ULife members receive. Okay, so here we go. Walmart, you can earn up to 4% commissions on their products. Amazon Associates, you can earn up to 20% commissions on their products, and more than likely it's really just 3 to 4%. I haven't seen too many people who have earned 20% commissions with Amazon. 3 to 4% seems to be the standard. But as an E1ULife member, your commission rate starts at 80% commissions. Okay, and these are high ticket sales you're making. So the thing about being an E1ULife member, you're earning these high ticket commissions of $500, $1,000, $2,000 commissions per sale, and you can earn those over and over again. All right, so there's no limit to how many commissions you can earn and how many sales you can make. With Walmart and Amazon, usually you're earning really low commissions because they're dealing with physical products. And with those physical products, they have a high overhead and stuff like that for the company, so they pay out very little in their commissions to their affiliates. So you have to sell a lot of product per month just to make $1,000 or $2,000 per month. Whereas with E1ULife, you make one sale, you earn a $1,000 commission, or you make one sale, you earn a $2,000 commission. Okay, so you're set for the whole month. All right, so let's show you right now the commissions that you can earn. They have 6 web packages that you can purchase. You can choose from to purchase. Your customers can choose from to purchase. The lowest one is Elevation Basic. You can get a commission of $25 on that. Elevation Elite, $100 commission. Vertex, $250 commission. Vertex Elite Package, $500 commission. Vertex Pro, $1,000. And Vertex Live, our most popular product web package, you can earn a $2,000 commission. And there are people within E1ULife who are earning those $2,000 commissions over and over again. I mean, they're making 5 figures per month just from selling these Vertex Live packages. Okay, now this is not a guarantee of income. It all depends on the work you put into your business. I can't tell you that you are guaranteed to make any type of money with this company. Like with any business, it all depends on the work you put into it, how long you work your business, how dedicated you are, and those type of factors I cannot predict. The company cannot predict. It's all up to you. Okay? So let me scroll down here. I don't want to make this video too long, but basically this is what you can get from these different web packages. Okay? The E1ULife developers, they're ready to create the perfect website for you, the perfect landing and opt-in pages for your business or organization, or if you just want to brand yourself, they can create a branding website for you, branding, landing pages, and opt-in pages. They can create a multi-page funnel if you're going to be selling your own products, like something like that, or you're doing a multi-page funnel to promote some other companies' products and services. They will create that multi-page funnel for you to help you turn those leads into customers. They will create custom email templates to help you stand out in your potential customers' inbox so your email doesn't get lost among all of the other emails that your potential customers and leads are getting every single day. Okay, it helps you stand out in their inbox. You can get your own custom logo for your business, organization, or just to brand yourself. And they have custom social media images that they can create to help you build your online presence and to build your brand. And you can put these images on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. And what I like is that they have a 24/7 support, a customer support team. I've used their customer support team several times over the past couple of months. They get back to you within a few hours. Rarely have I ever had to wait like 20. In fact, I don't think I've ever had to wait 24 hours for them to get back to me. They got back to me right away in like a few hours. Okay, excellent customer support. Okay, so here are the 6 web packages that you could choose from, and pick the one based on your business needs and your budget. Okay, I don't want you to go into debt to get in at the highest level. I don't want you to break the bank to do that. Whichever one fits your budget and fits your business needs, that's the one you should choose. Okay, these are all one-time purchases. You don't have to pay any monthly payments with these particular web packages. Okay, now our most popular web package is Vertex Live for $2,500, and the reason why it's so popular is because you get all of the customized work that's included with these other packages. So you're going to get your own custom opt-in pages, social media pack, email templates, logo, multi-page funnel, and your own built-for-you website. Okay, all of this for $2,500. I did a Google search on how much it would cost to have a website built for you, and the prices range between $5,000 up to $10,000 and more to have a built-for-you website. So you're getting a really great bargain here, because not only are you getting the built-for-you website for $2,500, but you're getting all of the other custom work done for you as well. And it just makes the most economical sense to come in at the $2,500 Vertex Live web package level, because you're getting access to all of the other custom work that's in these other product levels, and it also makes you eligible to receive commissions on every single product level. Okay? So if you come in at one of the lower product levels, you're only eligible to receive commissions up to the level that you purchased. All right. Now there is a way, and I'm not going to get into it in this video. Like I said, I have a playlist that goes into more detail that explains how you can earn 50% commissions on the product levels that you do not own. Okay. So even if you come in at Elevation Basic for $30, if you sell a Vertex Live package, you're still going to earn a 50% commission, which is $1,000. So that's not too bad, all right? But Vertex Pro, $1,100 one-time purchase. The only thing you don't get with this level is built-for-you website. Vertex Elite, $550. You don't get the multi-page funnel and the built-for-you website. Vertex, $275. You get the opt-in pages, social media pack, and the email templates. Elevation Elite for $110, you get opt-in pages and the social media pack. And for Elevation Basic for $30, you get your own custom opt-in pages. Okay, again, come in at the product level that makes the most business sense for you and that fits your budget. Okay, and you know, you can always work your way up to Vertex Live. And again, once you get started, there is a way for you to earn 50% commissions on the higher product levels. Okay, so you'll learn more about that once you become an E1ULife affiliate. So in order to get started, all you have to do is click where it says become an E1ULife affiliate and start now. You can get to a page that's similar to this, but it's going to have a sales video that goes more into detail about the compensation plan. Go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area. Put in your first name and email address and you'll go to that page. And when you're ready to get started, just click on one of the buttons that says start now. It'll click over. It'll take you to where you can create your free account. Make sure your sponsor's name is showing as me, Michelle Roebuck. I'll have my email address and username. Just fill out this information, click submit to create your account, and then you'll be able to choose which product level you want to purchase. Okay, once you make that purchase, you get the resale rights to that package and all of the other packages below it. Okay, so in order to get more information about how the compensation plan works, how you can earn those $2,000 commissions, go ahead, click the first link below this video in the description area to either get started or to get more information. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video on how to get started with E1ULife, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.